Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Let's see our project title. This is our project title: hand gesture recognition using an Android device. Let's see our abstract of our project. This is our abstract of our project. In the field of image processing, it is very interesting to recognize the human gesture for general life applications. Gesture recognition is a growing field of research among the various human-computer interactions. The hand gesture recognition is very popular for interacting between the human and machines. It is a non-verbal way of communication, and this research area is full of innovative approaches. This paper aims to recognize the basic hand gesture to make the future used to and the hand gesture presence of thumb and number of peaks in the hand gestures. So in this paper, for the image accosting, the Android camera is used to detect the edges of the images. So the images of the image frames are input given to the Android frame. So Android has been process the image frames as a image processing module. In the every image processing module, the image has been separated as a pixels, and every pixels are arranged by an edge detection module. These are about our abstract. Let's see our data flow diagram of our project. This is our flow diagram. In this flow diagram, our image frames are input given to the image processing module. The real-time images captured by the Android camera has been separated as image frames. All the image frames are given to the input for the image processing module. Then the image processing module separates the each pixels in the image processing module is separating the each frames by using the Superpixel operator. So the each pixels are separated in the Superpixel operator, and the Superpixel operator is applied to the every pixels. Then the images has been blurred. The blur images has been our final output for the Superpixel operator. Using our Superpixel operator, we have blurred the blurred the images, and this is our flow diagram. In the flow diagram, we have to input the real-time images taken by the Android camera. From the Android camera has been recording the entire video. The video has been separated as image frames. The image frames has been given to the input for the image processing module. The image processing module has been predefined installed in the Android devices. So the image processing module has been separating the two processes. The process has been detecting the edges. So we have to find out the two process. So we have to process the two modules. These modules are one of the module is blurring the image, another module is detecting the edges in the images. We want to blurring the image using Superpixel operator. So using the Superpixel operator, the image frames of every pixel has been selected, and it is applies the Superpixel operator for blurring the image. Then after the blurring the image, the only the thin lines will be remain in the image frame. So these thin lines will be set as edges. So this blurred image is given to the input for the canny edge detection module. In the canny edge detection module, separate the edges and blurred images. So only the thin lines will be remain in the canny edge detection. So this edged frame has been input to the given for the validation process. In the validation process, we have to set up the recorded. We have contained the recorded dataset for edge detected by images. So in the validation process is validate the existing recorded data sets and current current image frame. So final output has been so final output has been so the final output has been represented to the by validating the current existing record data set and the current data set. So our project has been started and this is our normal camera view for animation. In the animation is the default image look. This animation is the default animation preview for the camera view of Android. Using this animation we have to find in the features. So these are the options has been provided for our application. This is the preview of RGBA and this is the preview of gray and this is the canny edge detection, then the find the features. Now we have to in the viewing the canny edge detection for this application. Using our canny edge detection, so the output will be changed for detecting the edges. So in the real time the image of hand cursor also processed like this. In the real time this our hand cursor also processed like this edges. This is the real time output for our data sets. So this is the prediction for number 0, this is the hand cursor prediction for number 2, then this is a number set prediction for number 3. So this is the prediction for number 2, this is the prediction for number 4. So these are our real-time data sets. Thank you.